2024 is here and it's time to take your customer success to the next level. We all know Salesforce is a powerhouse, but are you harnessing its full potential? In this quick video, we'll share 3 essential tips to supercharge your customer success with Salesforce in 2024. So tip number 1, personalize the journey. Today's customer crave personal experiences. Salesforce makes it easy. Leverage Einstein Analytics to understand individual customers' needs and tailor their journey accordingly. Create custom dashboards, trigger automated emails, recommend them relevant products or services. Remember, every interaction is a chance to delight your customer and build a lasting loyalty. Tip 2. Embrace automation. Time is money, especially in customer service. Automate repeated tasks like data entry and case routing with Salesforce workflow tools. Implement AI-powered chatbots to answer FAQs and handle basic queries 24/7. By freeing up your time, you can focus on solving complex problems and build a deeper relationship with the customers. Tip number 3. Connect the dots. Silos are a customer killer. Break them down with Salesforce. Integrate your marketing, sales, and service terms on one unified platform. Sharing data seamlessly, gain a 360-degree view of each customer and anticipate their needs even before they arrive. So are you ready to take your customer success to the next level? We can help. Don't wait, contact us today and let's craft a plan to make your customers do a happy dance. Let's make 2024 a year customer sings your praises.